Hi everyone, this is MB Kitchenette, and welcome to my channel. MB Kitchenette is a place where you can find easy, quick, healthy, home-cooked recipe. To all my followers, thank you for being here with me once again, and for your continued supports. And to those who are new here, welcome to my channel, and I hope you learn from today's recipe. Today I will share an easy, quick, healthy pasta recipe. To begin, we cook any kind of pasta you love. Well, I hope cooking pasta is not new to all of you. And if, check the cooking instructions on each packaging. Have one piece of tomato, remove the hard core, then cut into desired size. Write in the comment the country where you are watching my video. Have a slice from a bell pepper and cut into square. This recipe is best when you have a leftover pasta from yesterday's party and using all the rest veggies in your fridge. One piece of carrot cut into a desired size. Is like cooking fried rice from a leftover rice, but this time is using leftover pasta. Have one piece of zucchini cut into square. If you are a pasta lover and watching for your health, then this is the best recipe for you. This recipe is made easy for you to follow. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to always be updated. Have one piece of medium-sized onion and then cut. All ingredients are prepared. Let's start cooking by putting olive oil and butter in a heated pan. Add the onion, continue on stirring until the onion will caramelize. Then add the carrot and zucchini. Continue on cooking for 1 minute, then add the tomato. For the seasoning, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vegetable flavor, 1 teaspoon of coarse pepper, half teaspoon thymian, half teaspoon of basil, half teaspoon of coriander, a pinch of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of parsley. Mix over the seasoning, then add the pasta and continue on mixing. Try this recipe on weekend to taste for your own. Then put in the comment, how does it taste? Don't forget to check the descriptions of this video, where you can find some of the utensils I am using in my video, where you can also avail them online. I hope you enjoy and learn from this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to always be updated. Have a happy, healthy meal. Hi everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel. MB Kitchenette, a place where you can find easy, quick, healthy, home-cooked recipe. Today I will share another recipe which is requested by one of MB Kitchenette's follower, Gail of Canada, which is spaghetti with chicken. To Gail, hello out there. This recipe is for you and to all of our viewers. I hope you will like it. To begin, let's boil water with 1 tablespoon of salt and some drops of olive oil. Once the water starts to boil, put the spaghetti noodles. Preparing spaghetti pasta is not new to everyone. In case you don't know, get the instructions on the packaging of every pasta. Once it started to boil for about 10 minutes, get some and check if it's soft already. Then remove from the heat, drain and wash in a cold running water. To all my followers, thank you for being here once again and for your continued supports in my channel. And for those new here, welcome to my channel. Have 300 grams of chicken breast cut into cubes. Chicken is a very popular white meat, especially for those on a diet or maintaining a good health. Write in the comment your views. Your feedback helps us grow. Write in the comment your name and country you are watching my video, so I can thank you and greet you on my next video. Have 1 stalk of celery. Remove the both ends, which are already old. Then cut the celery into cubes. Don't forget to check the descriptions of this video, where you can find kitchenwares and kitchen utensils in which you can always avail or order anytime. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to always be updated. After cutting celery, proceed in cutting carrots. We need 1 piece of carrots, which is also cut into cubes, which is most probably same size we cut with the celery. Have a slice from an orange bell pepper and cut into cubes. If you don't have orange bell pepper, any color of bell pepper will do. It is usually available is the green and red. Then a slice of red bell pepper and also cut into cubes. To Gail of Canada, this recipe is made for you as you requested. I hope you're there and watching. And to our other followers, you can also request any recipe, and I try to do it on my next video. Again do the same with yellow bell pepper. As I said before, if the color of the bell pepper are not available in your country, you can use the green and red bell pepper. Now chopped 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. To Anho of Vietnam and Shirley of Middle Georgia, USA, thank you for watching. Then have a 1 piece of onion cut into cubes. This recipe is made easy for you to be able to follow. Can you still follow the recipe? Now all the ingredients have been prepared. Let's start cooking. In a heated saucepan with olive oil, let's sauté garlic. Continue on stirring until the aroma comes out, but don't let it turn brown or burned. Then add the onion and continue on stirring until it caramelized. Now add the chicken, continue cooking for 3 minutes or until the meat turn into white. Remember not to overcook the meat of chicken to maintain its juiciness. Then add the carrots and celery. Afterwards, continue adding the bell peppers. Then add the seasonings. 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of tea basil, 1 teaspoon of oregano, a pinch of thymian, a pinch of coriander, a pinch of nutmeg. Then add 1 pack of 300 ml tomato sauce and then mix the ingredients. Continue on cooking for 2 minutes, then turn off the heat. Then pour it to our spaghetti and mix it gently. For an ordinary spaghetti recipe, this is already done. But let's make some kick on it. Let's full-loaded it to make it extra special for Gail, who requested this recipe. To Shirley of Middle Georgia, USA, and to Anho of Vietnam, thank you for watching. Now fully cover it with Parmesan cheese, then put it in an oven for 20 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. Spaghetti originated in Italy and is one of the most popular types of pasta in Italian cuisine. It has since gained popularity worldwide and is enjoyed in various culinary traditions. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to always updated. I hope you enjoy and learn today's recipe. Have a happy, healthy meal.